Boy Who Wanted to Fly. Once there was a curious little boy named Ion. He lived in a small town, but his dreams were as big as the sky. More than anything, Ion wanted to fly. Every day he looked up at the birds, clouds, and airplanes and whispered, "Someday I'll join you up there." At school, Ion was fascinated by stories of astronauts and pilots. He built paper planes, made wings from cardboard, and even tied a cape around his shoulders, pretending to soar through the wind. The other kids laughed, but Ion didn't mind. His dream kept growing stronger. One evening, he told his mother, "I'll touch the sky one day." She smiled and said, "Then keep reaching." As Ion grew older, he studied hard. He learned about science, flight, and how engines worked. Years later, he finally became a real pilot. On his first flight, as the airplane rose into the sky, Ion looked out the window with tears in his eyes. He was flying, not just with machines, but with heart. And somewhere deep inside, the little boy with cardboard wings was still smiling, proud and free, dancing through the clouds. Because dreams, no matter how small they begin, can truly take flight.